So today I will be installing some coilovers on this 2006 Mustang. This is stock height right now. As you can see, the rear has a big gap, and the front does too. I'll be installing some Rev9 coilovers with a divorce setup. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm on the front passenger side, and for the front strut you should have two 18s right here, four 13s right there, and also your end link is going to be an 18, and then the last thing is going to be this 10mm nut holding the brake line. So right now, I'm trying to get this top nut off of the end link, but the back is spinning. So what I'm gonna do is put some pliers and then grab a wrench and just spin it like that. So I'm getting it. I put one of these in the front to hold this, and a wrench in the back. Alright, so I got the first one out, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the coilover. So I just got the end link off, and for the bottom part, you're also gonna have to hold it right here and with a wrench. Well, if yours is spinning. So for your new end links, you might have a cover. You're gonna have to take that off. And same thing for the top. Okay, so this is the OEM strut next to the coilover. The OEM strut should measure roughly about 25 inches from top to bottom. I have this one set from the top plate to the very bottom, 21.5. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna adjust both front ones to 21.5, and if I need to go lower, then I'll adjust it on the car. So I got the two 18s in. The only thing I need to now is to connect this 10mm right back there, and then just connect the end link right here. So one thing, whenever you're adjusting your end link, always spin it in the middle, like I am right here. Don't ever just spin the bottom one or the top one. If you spin the middle, you'll have even threads on top and bottom. Right there. You see how I just spin the middle and I have even threads on top and bottom? So this side's pretty much done. Only thing I have to connect is this brake line right here. Alright, so now I'm on the driver's side. It's gonna be the same thing, 18, 18, 18, 18, and then just a 10mm holding this brake line. And okay, so both fronts are done now. I tightened the top 13 nuts. All the brake lines are connected. The end links are tightened and these bolts are tightened too. The only thing I need to do now is just tighten that bottom lock ring on this side, and then we'll be moving to the back. So I'm on the rear passenger side. I went ahead and took this bottom bolt off. It's a 15, and then the top one is also going to be a 15 right here. You just gotta pull this out the way. So I had the whole thing spinning when I had just put the impact on it. So I got a 1/4 inch wrench to hold the top. So when I got to the very top, it still kept spinning and I couldn't hold it with a 1/4 wrench. So I got some pliers to hold the bottom part, and it's not moving no more, so this should get it out. Okay. So now all I have to do is just pull it down. So now all I have to do is just install the other one and then just take the spring out. Before I install the other strut, one thing I do have right now is the jack up against the diff. So I'm gonna lower the jack a little bit to be able to get the spring out. Okay, so I actually had to take this bolt off right here. Before you take it off, I would spray some PB Blaster just so it doesn't strip or anything. And now I should be able to just take this out. Okay, so like I said, you will have to take this one bolt out of the way to be able to drop the whole thing and get the spring out. Because if you don't get it out, this is still kind of going to be compressing the spring. So this is the OEM spring, the one that I just took out. And this is the Rev9 spring. This one has about 14 inches. And this one has about 9. So that's like maybe a 5-inch difference. I think that's maxed out right now, but I'm gonna adjust it to maybe like 12, somewhere like right there, and then I would adjust the rest on the car if the guy wants me to adjust it a little bit lower. And to install it, you just gotta put the rubber piece at the bottom, and then the rest you can just sit on there. But first I'm gonna adjust it. Good. Okay, so I got the rear spring in right now. I'm just trying to line this one up. And then all I gotta do is put this bottom bolt, and then this side would be done. And then of course I still have to adjust it good, dial it in. Same thing for that. But I'll do that after I put the wheels on and see how it looks. Okay, I got everything installed in the rear, and I made sure that I adjusted this so the spring wouldn't have any play. So now I just gotta lower it and tighten this. So this one's spinning as well. Okay. The only thing holding it up now is that piece of rubber, and I'm gonna go pull it from the bottom.
First off, you better remember what that sign say before you come down here to this bitch. Don't mess with Texas. Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns. Hey, see y'all from Texas. We got Beyonce, say the truth, and we can't forget dancing.
Alright, so I just took the jack off of the diff and it dropped it some, so I have some play to get the spring out. There we go.